Eugene, cometh the hour, cometh the Ugandan. That is the best performance we've ever seen from Joshua Kiptegei. So many bronze and silver medals on the track to a gold here in Birmingham, and he's going to do it. The crowd are on their feet saluting a wonderful run from a great champion. It was destined to be his. He took it by the scruff of the neck, and it's gold again for Uganda. Jacob Kiplimo coming out on top. A brilliant silver from Daniel Ibenyo. What a race, a dance of delight from Jacob. Forced to answer the questions inside the last 200 metres. Who's got the heart? Who's got the belief? Who's got the desire? Kiplimo not waiting for the straight. He's running wide round the bend. And look at the grace with which he's accelerating here. He has been desperate to upgrade so many bronze and silver medals on the track to a gold here in Birmingham, and he's going to do it. The crowd are on their feet saluting a wonderful run from a great champion. It was destined to be his. He took it by the scruff of the neck, and it's gold again for Uganda. Jacob Kiplimo coming out on top. A brilliant silver from Daniel Ibenyo. What a race. A dance.
I'm out here, I was in front. That's when I had to really start working hard. And these guys, I think they relaxed that, oh, we're already in front. That's when I had to catch up with them.
You've done a personal best, 45, I think 3-1. Is the personal best you've done. Did you expect this?
I didn't expect it. You know, it's something that I've been praying for since 2019 when I started my career. It's really something very special for me. It shows us I'm really moving in the right direction.
And after this, that you've gone through the heats and now the semis, now you're into the final. Your expectations of the final on Sunday?
Yeah, you know, just like how the semis went, you know, the final anything can happen. We expect the best. I can't predict that I will win, but anybody who wins, but I know I'm going to do my best.
Okay, and what do you have to say about the future of sprints? We recently had a chance to sort of make the semi-finals of the 200 meters of the World Championships in Oregon. You're through to the 400-meter final. What do you have to say about the progress of the sprints for you guys?
I think we are really redefining ourselves as sprinters, because I think the first gold medalist in Uganda was Jonah Kipo. He was actually majorly a sprinter. So we relaxed a little bit. And with the young generation, we are trying to bring sprint back.
Yeah. Can you just let us, is this your first time at the Commonwealth Games? And what has the experience been like?